Hello friends. A common belief of Christmas among the kids is their very own Santa Claus who comes riding in his sledge driven by reindeers led by Rudolph. Now, do you know how this belief rose and became a tradition year after year during Christmas? Who is the so-called Santa Claus and why do kids wait for him so eagerly across Christmas? And it's believed that he puts his gifts in their stockings. Actually, the history and the tradition dates back around 1500 years back in a church of St. Nicholas in Myra, Turkey, the present day known as Demre. Nicholas was born here in 280 AD. He lived a pious life. His parents died in a plague and Nicholas was left with a fortune. But instead of enjoying the wealth, he fed the hungry, clothed the naked, and tried to help the debt-ridden poor people. One such act of his kindness, where he left 3 bags of gold through a window of the poor debt-ridden father, the bag accidentally fell into the stocking hung near the fireplace. His sacrifice earned him the position of bishop over the region. Those were the days of war, and when Constantine finally won the war, an imprisoned Nicholas was free and became the topmost loved leader of those times. Saint Nicholas later started to be known as the Great Santa Claus, one who gives happiness and spreads cheer. Across the world, there are lots of depictions of Father Christmas riding horses and donkeys. But countries like Sweden or Norway didn't have horses or donkeys, so that is how Nicholas got around, riding on a sledge pulled by 8 tiny reindeers. This belief is evident even today during Christmas since 1823. The workshop of Nicholas came to be believed to be existing in the North Pole. Many of our Christmas traditions find their origins from this pious saint. Saint Nicholas, today known as Santa Claus, spreads the belief that it is better to give than to receive. So guys, spread this word across and distribute happiness and cheer among one another, and the world will be a beautiful place. So friends, let us pray to the Almighty to give us the strength and the power to overcome these troubled times and live as one community, helping each other during times of distress. So friends, let's hope that humanity comes back strongly, and whichever industry it is, whether banking sector or manufacturing or tourism, may the Almighty give us the power to wade through these troubled times and we could continue our normal schedule as soon as possible, with a hope that our travel and tourism industry would come back as it used to be. Here is wishing you all a Merry Christmas 2021 and a Happy New Year 2022. May this new year bring in good health and joy to each and every one of us. Thank you. Bye-bye.